So healthcare is again near and dear to my heart, and I think it requires complete overhaul. Healthcare costs 16% of GDP, growing at a rate exceeding inflation to reach about 20% of GDP in 5 years is unsustainable. It will bring down the whole economy like housing did in 2008. So healthcare costs have to be cut. Then only you can sustain these programs, and you should, and I'll come to that in a minute. But we need to cut costs, and what we haven't done in the medical field is we haven't embraced telemedicine, we haven't embraced the internet to the extent we could. And I am developing a program with a friend of mine which would allow delivery of healthcare in people's homes, in people's offices. It would increase efficiency, improve compliance, and significantly decrease costs. So we need to immediately begin to decrease healthcare costs. And as with respect to cutting programs or rolling back, the safety net, if you will, I think again that's wrong. Because when you take back when people don't get preventative services, they just get sick, and overall their costs are greater. We see that all the time. I see patients who have lost their insurance, they don't come, and when they come, they are sicker, they need more tests, they get admitted to the hospital, and it just increases costs, and ultimately someone pays for it. Indirectly, all taxpayers pay for it, because it's written off by the hospital system. That cost is therefore passed on to other payers. So it's just a cycle. So it doesn't save money by cutting benefits to people who don't have benefit, because it ultimately costs more. So we need to restore and we need to maintain that, but we need to overhaul the system. In the long term, I think the single payer system is the only sustainable solution. The Europeans have done it, the Canadians have done it, they have done it well, and we can do it too here. And I think that's a platform. The state of Vermont has already begun steps, and I think we should start that right here in Wisconsin. So as governor, I will start exploring and start instituting a program where over time we evolve into a single payer system or as close to that as possible.